Look at this interesting, very interesting combination that I have stocked in my aquarium now. You probably won't see this from too many people at all with this particular stock of fish inhabiting the same environment, at least in a home aquarium. But I have a male guppy, a fly, which the giant gourami loves to try to catch. This is my male guppy. There's my snakeskin gourami. My camera is having trouble focusing, but I try to get some good angles and shots for you guys. I know I'm not a pro with this video, but I need to get like a real video camera. But that's my snakeskin gourami, and there's the goldfish that nobody ate because it grew so big that they couldn't fit in their mouth. Which, that was this Oscar's food over here. Fat girl, she's huge. But yeah, and there's my giant gourami, which is not pretty giant yet, but that's my true giant gourami, and she's about 3 or 4 inches. I don't know if it's a male or female, but and it's really camera shy too. But there it is, my true giant gourami. Now keep in mind, I got this gourami when she was like 1 inch long, and I had it for like a month, and she's like almost 4 inches now. These true giant gouramis, their growth rate is rapid, like so fast, you know. Muy rápido, mucho grande, muy rápido, mucho grande. Very fast, very big. So yeah, I have a pike cichlid also, but they're more of the ambush predators. So they prefer to stalk their prey like from behind without being seen, so they can have a better chance of accumulating and catching their prey better. As you see, it came out the cave and then went right back in. They are very low-key predators. There he is. I didn't even see him come out. There's my pike cichlid. And there's my snakeskin gourami. But he is slick, bro. I didn't even see him come out. Here he is. And he's not camera shy at all. I've got a pleco behind my filter intake. There's my pike once again, pike cichlid. Keep in mind, guys, they are in a very small aquarium right now. They are in a 29 gallon. But, I keep the water changed, like it should be. And I don't have very much substrate, which makes water changing easier. Anyway, I'm going to upgrade to a 75 gallon, and they all will go in there. There's my snakeskin gourami. Had a better picture of him. Getting closer to the glass up front. Alright guys, just a little update for you.